Students, our next topic is did women have a revolution? In French Revolution, women also participated. Okay, but what was the condition of women during French Revolution? All right, look here. The women in France have no rights, right? The women in France, they have no rights. No rights means they don't have any right to vote. They were the passive citizens. All right, no access to education. They don't have any access to education, particularly those who were poor from the third state. But students, those who are the daughters of the nobles as well as the daughters of the rich section of the third state, they have the access for education. All right, no job training, students, for the women of the third state, poor women of the third state. All right, after that you see, just most women worked as laundresses, seamstresses, sold fruits and vegetables at the market. Okay, they also worked as a domestic servants in the house of rich persons, those who are rich and prosperous. Okay, in their home they can able to work as a maid servant. All right, in order to express their opinion, women forming clubs and publishing newspapers, because they have seen that how Jacobean club became popular, and for that reason this women also formed clubs, as well as they published newspaper where they can able to express their opinion. Students, about 60 women's club came up in different parts of France. Okay, the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women was the most famous in them. That means the most famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republican Women. Students, our next topic is the demands of women. What are the demands of women was there? All right, the main demands was that the women to enjoy the same rights as the men. All right, second one was the Constitution of 1791 considered the women as passive citizens. Look here, when the first constitution was made in 1791, all right, they made women as passive citizens. Passive citizens means those who can't able to give votes. All right, who can able to give vote? Active citizens. Okay, those who are the salaried class and they can able to give 3 days salary as a tax to the government. Okay, they demanded for the right to vote, to be elected to the assembly and to hold the political office. That means they demanded right to vote, and not only that, but also that they can able to go to assembly. All right, and hold the political office. All right, students, in the early years of revolutionary government, the women were given some rights. When the Jacobians they were in the power, all right, they had given some rights to women. What are these? Let us see here. Their father could no longer force them to marriage against their will. That means now, if any daughter of a father wants to marry any other person, then father has to respect the will of the daughter. All right, Marriage was now registered under civil law. Okay, that means marriage registration was absolute necessary during that time. Divorce was made legal and could be appealed by both men and women. Alright, students. Now, women could be trained for a job, could become artists, or run a small business. That means they got these rights. Okay, students. However, students, the women's movement for equal rights, equal wages, political rights, and right to vote continued through the Reign of Terror too. Alright, you know that during the Reign of Terror, Maximilian Robespierre, he was the ruler, and what happened? Women movement was continued during that time. They demanded equal rights, equal wages, political rights, right to vote. ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि that women, okay, they stopped the movement, okay, in Reign of Terror. All right, they continued their movement. As a result, what happened? Though the government has ordered to close women clubs and several prominent women leaders were executed too. And how they were executed? They were guillotined. All right. Since the movement continued for the next 200 years in many countries around the world, इसके बावजूद the movement for women that continued for the next 200 years in many countries around the world. Okay, and the fight for the right to vote was continued through an international suffrage movement during the early 19th and 20th century. International suffrage movement means movement that is related with vote. All right, and it continued in the early 19th and the 20th century. Finally, what happened? It was in 1946 that the women in France got the right to vote. France के जो women थे, they got the right to vote in 1946, and this year is very important for India also. Why? Because during that time we had drafted our constitution, and France में women को अधिकार मिला वोट देने का, and for that reason India also incorporated the right to vote to women in 1947. All right, students. Thank you.